Litonotus species. Litonotus has also been previously described under the names Lionotus and Hemiophorus. Litonotus is a flask-shaped, hyaline, elongated, predatory, scavenging ciliate. It has a stout, flattened neck, bent dorsally. The cytostome is a long slit on the anterolateral margin. Litonotus has two macronuclei. They are usually located at approximately mid-body. Litonotus has a single terminal contractile vacuole. The posterior end is bluntly rounded. Litonotus is a ciliate. It is a member of the family Litonotidae, and it resides in its own genus, Litonotus. Call's textbook of 1930 describes some 23 species of Litonotus. Note that they all share a dorsally arched neck, a long, slender body, and a progressively narrowed distal end, which is either bluntly rounded or ends in a small tail-like projection. Some 15 species of Litonotus can be found on the internet in the modern literature. Here are two examples of Litonotus as seen from low power. Note that the organism glides smoothly when it swims and can move both forward and backward. Note that the arched neck and the narrow, elongated body are consistent identifying features of this organism. Considering the relative proportions of the neck and body of this organism, it may represent an example of Litonotus pectinatus. Here is another example with a longer neck and a longer, narrower body. This organism may actually be Litonotus fasciola or Litonotus cygnus. Here is another example at higher magnification. Note the beak-like dark line anteriorly, which is the intermittently visible cytostome, as well as the two macronuclei in mid-body. This long, narrow organism could be Litonotus cygnus or procera or fasciola. We shall simply refer to it as Litonotus species. Note the remarkably arched neck of this specimen. It certainly is swan-like. Perhaps this denotes the origin of the term litonotus cygnus. This specimen is the subject of the video to follow. Note that in the beginning of the video, the organism has a collision with a rotifer, but neither of the organisms appears to be significantly damaged.